Whether it's for a business trip or a family vacation, a light, compact, and capable portable projector makes an excellent travel companion. A few years ago, having a projector small enough to take with you in your bag, let alone in your pocket, was just wishful thinking. In this video, we are talking about and breaking down the 7 best portable projectors on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We are taking a look at products in all cost ranges, so whether you're looking for an excellent value projector or the ultimate best one, we have an option for you. As always, all the links to buy the products discussed in this video are in the description below. For the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, make sure to check the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end and don't miss anything. Starting off the list with AAXA P7. The AAXA P7 Mini HD projector is a tiny 1080p model suitable for business presentations on the road. It does a decent job of showing videos and photos, as well as playing music. The P7's lens is in the upper left corner of the projector's front. It lacks a zoom function, but it supports keystone correction. On the back of the P7 are an HDMI port for connecting to a computer or video source, and a USB Type-A port for connecting to a USB thumb drive. The AAXA P7 Mini HD projector is a next-generation solid-state mini projector that delivers native 1080p performance and operates on both battery and DC power. This mini HD projector incorporates a compact 4th-generation Texas Instruments DLP imager, featuring a native Full HD resolution. Matted to premium luminous 30,000-hour LEDs, the P7 produces a bright 600 lumens and can deliver a 120-inch projected image anytime, anywhere. Next we have LG PH550 Cinbeam. The lightweight and portable LG Mini Beam LED projector PH550 can project television shows thanks to its built-in TV tuner, has a wealth of connection choices, and boasts excellent video and data image quality. The PH550 has a wireless mirroring function that connects it to a smartphone or a tablet, accessing content for projection. It also can display movies, pictures, music, and even office documents on USB drives too. You can also wirelessly stream sound directly from the PH550 projector to a Bluetooth-compatible sound system, like home audio speakers, headphones, or portable speakers to pair big sound to the significant viewing experience. The projector's LED lamp displays natural and vibrant colors and will last up to an estimated 30,000 hours. It means that the lamp does not have to be replaced for 10 years, even if the projector is used 8 hours every day. Moving forward, we have AAXA P2A Smart Pico. The AAXA P2A Smart Pico projector, despite a few flaws, is a triumph of miniaturization and a good value. Its tiny frame is bristling with ports and with a touchpad on top. This projector is a feature-rich Pico projector that allows spontaneous sharing of pictures and videos anytime, anywhere. At its heart are a powerful media processor and wireless radio, powered by an Android 5.1 operating system. This enables the P2A to stream high-resolution videos, pictures, music, and play a variety of applications, just like a smartphone. The P2A further features multiple input options, including a USB port, micro TF card slot, mini HDMI port, composite video inputs, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a powerful 1.5 watt speaker. All this is controlled by a user-friendly capacitive touchpad and mini infrared remote control. At just 8.8 ounces, the P2A is an ultra-small, ultra-portable 2-inch cube projector. Matted to a 14-watt premium lithium-ion battery, the P2A can deliver 100-inch projected videos and slideshows anytime, anywhere for 150 minutes or unlimited if plugged in. Up next we have Anker Nebula Capsule 2. The Nebula Capsule 2 by Anker is an unusual entertainment projector. It runs the Android TV operating system and can double as a Bluetooth speaker. Now you can enjoy a universe of excellent entertainment with Android TV. Choose from thousands of movies, shows, and games. It can instantly access all your entertainment with a Google Assistant. You can download all of your favorite apps, including Hulu, YouTube, Amazon Prime, Twitch, and more. Capsule 2 delivers 2.5 hours of continuous HD projection. Further, you can expand your entertainment with Chromecast. Cast your most favorite apps from your Android or iOS device, Mac, or Windows computer. The cutting-edge DLP technology creates a stunning 720p 200 ANSI lumen image up to 100-inch in size. Enjoy a razor-sharp, high-definition image under a second with Capsule 2's proprietary autofocus technology. It is ideal to use in low-light environments as well. Next product on our list is Epson PowerLite 1795F. What's thin, light, and bright with 1080p resolution? The Epson's PowerLite 1795F wireless 3 LCD projector. It is a highly portable model, good with data-heavy media and excellent with video, but packing soft audio. It is thin as a laptop, weighing just 4 pounds. You can project your computer, tablet, or smartphone wirelessly, or project videos and apps from your device using Miracast. The projector features auto horizontal and vertical keystone correction, plus screen fit to quickly adjust the image to fit the screen, even if the projector is placed off-center. It further supports HDMI, the standard in connectivity for digital video and audio with just one cable. Just scan the on-screen QR code using your phone or tablet, and your wireless connection is ready. Built for business travel, the ultra-portable PowerLite 1795F projector provides 3200 lumens of color brightness, 3200 lumens of white light, and 1080p resolution. Up next is Philips Pocket Projector PPX 4010. Hardly larger than a Tic Tac case and rated at 100 lumens, the 3-ounce Philips Pocket Projector PPX 4010 is an excellent laptop companion for desk-side presentations. Using the included HDMI cable, you can easily connect the projector to a laptop or notebook to share digital media content. The projector has a brightness of up to 100 lumens and a display size of up to 120 inches. LED technology delivers vibrant, crisp images with no warm-up needed. The projector is powered via USB, and its tiny size makes it easy to take with you. PPX 4010 makes it easy to give a presentation or show photos, videos, or websites on a large screen. Power is supplied to the projector via the USB on your laptop, so simply plug and play. Featuring Texas Instruments DLP and LED technology, the PPX 4010 offers up to 30,000 hours of viewing, the same as most flat-screen TVs. And finally we have Kodak Luma 150 Portable Wireless Projector. The Kodak Luma 150 is a tiny, highly portable projector that can show content with a range of wired and wireless sources, but its brightness is low enough to crimp image size. Keep this projector handy for all your meetings. It fits neatly into any briefcases or messenger bags. Now, don't miss a single detail as well. Everything looks clearer on a 16:9 screen that expands up to 150 inches. Thanks to the smartphone, you always have incredible imaging at your fingertips. But what happens when you want to share with friends and family? You can now look at the big picture with the Luma 150 portable projector. This revolutionary device delivers audiovisual excellence with its super bright 150 lumen lamp, 16.7 million display colors. Whether you're watching home movies, the latest blockbuster film, funny videos, or your favorite streaming service, the built-in speaker offers sturdy portability. Use the micro SD card slot, USB cable, HDMI cable, integrated AirPlay, and Miracast screencasting to connect to a variety of external devices. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.